Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a new Capcut project and importing the video you'll caption. This minimizes timing rework later. Once done, trim any dead space so captions land precisely with speech. Make sure audio is clear. Auto caption accuracy depends on it, and switch to the timeline view. That gives you direct control. After that setup, select the clip you want to caption and move to the next step to generate text automatically. You now tap Auto Captions to create a first-pass transcript. This saves huge time versus typing everything. Then, play through and correct misheard words and punctuation. This is why you prepared clean audio. Once corrections are made, adjust timing by dragging caption edges so they appear exactly with the spoken syllables. Also split or merge caption segments for readability. Aim for 2 to 3 short lines per caption so viewers can read comfortably. You finish by styling captions. Pick high contrast color, readable font size, and a subtle background for any scene. Once styled, choose whether to export burned-in captions or separate subtitle files depending on platform needs. If you see timing drift after export, make sure frame rate matches source. If accuracy drops, rerun auto captions or improve audio and then edit manually. Remember, recheck the final exported.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.